what she do when she moves. I know it's hard to imagine why you keep asking like all this came out of the blue. But I've been like this, on your mouth, but I'm on your lips, ain't nothing new. Still that bitch, cause I've been like this. I've been like this, take your shots till I blow a kiss, ain't nothing new. Still that bitch, cause I've been like.
Baby, I want you to shake a little, make it jiggle, put that thing in the middle for making it bizzle. What you doing it just the way I like, and you can't move me. I know exactly what you wanna do to me, and baby, you're just gonna make me act up on this flight. We gon' ride first class to heaven, your hands all over this legend.
Don't stress, baby, that's just the way that I do.
Tripping over these Grammys, but who needs to stay with me?
And a reservation, got a levitation for two.
We going up, cause I've been like this, I've been like this. You talk that smack, but I'm on your lips. I got money to the ceiling, girl, I'm filthy rich. Cause I've been like this.
I've been like this.
You talk that smack, but I'm on your lips. Ain't nothing new, just me and my bitch. Cause I've been like this.
I'm a pop star, I'm a wifey. Put an X by my name if you don't like me.
Now the thing you do excites me. I'ma have to get a little bit spicy.
You know the most. Oh, darling, you must be obsessed with me. You like me. But I've been like this.
You talk that smack, but I'm on your lips. Ain't nothing new.
Still that bitch, cause I've been like this. I said I've been like this. Talk that smack, but I'm on your list.
Ain't nothing new, just me and my bitch. Cause I've been like this. Ain't nothing new, just me and my bitch.
Cause I've been like this.
Let's learn Bend Like This. It's choreographed by Hayley Wheatley. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Bend Like This. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step out with our right and our left. They're going to be to the sides but slightly forward. So step out with the right, out with the left. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping right, back, left together, right, forward. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, slightly crossing your left over your right to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. And then you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. So when you're doing those 2 quarter turns, you want to think you're doing those 2 steps. So one's going over, back, and you're going to end up making a half turn with those 2 steps. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, step left. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, doing a shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to quickly bring our left foot in and next to our right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side, and then we're going to bring our left foot in and next to our right, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder as you flick your right foot back. So now you're facing 7:30. So let's try that with some counts. Doing your walk weights on your left foot facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot forward into the 7:30 diagonal. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're now going to touch our right toe forward. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 4:30. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder as you touch your left toe back. So now you're facing 3 o'clock. Step forward with your left, touch your right toe forward, and then touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just flicked. You're doing your step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do toe and heel switches. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side. Quickly bring your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly bring your left foot next to your right and place your right heel forward. Quickly bring your right foot next to your left and push your left heel forward. Quickly bring your left foot next to your right. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and we're going to do 3 heel bounces that are going to make a half turn. So we're going to lift both heels up, making a quarter turn over our left shoulder, and then bring them back down, facing 12 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 8th turn heel bounces to end at facing 9 o'clock. So we're going to turn over our left shoulder doing 2 heel bounces. Now we're facing 10:30, and then 1 more bounce, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. You just touched your right next to your left. You're doing your toe switches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. Now, when you do these heel bounces, you want to make sure that you're not stepping too far forward. Keep it nice and close so your heel is at about your toe, and you're just doing some bounces to help you make that half turn. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your out, 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 coaster step, quarter cross, quarter back, coaster step, walk, walk, rock, recover, quarter shove, full ball step, 8 flick, step 8, turn, touch forward, 8 back, touch back with an 8, step, touch forward, touch together, point, step, heel step, step, quarter bounce, 8 bounce, 8 bounce, weights on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your out, out. Out, out, coaster step, quarter cross, quarter back, coaster step, walk, walk, rock, recover, quarter shove, full ball step, 8 flick, step 8, turn, touch forward, 8 back, touch back with an 8th turn, step, touch forward, touch together, point, step, heel step, step, bounce, bounce, weights left, out, out, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, out, out, coaster step, quarter cross, quarter back, coaster step, walk, walk, rock, recover, quarter shove, full ball step, 8 flick, step 8, turn, touch forward, 8 back, touch back with an 8th step, touch forward, touch together, point, step, heel step, step, turning, bounces, weights left, out, out, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance is going to end on a flick back. You'll be facing the diagonal in the back wall. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn bend like this. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
She got that booty, that type of boom boom, that bass that I like. I said, for me, I keep it juicy. You better hold on for dear life. Oh, 'cause she's cute and she's classy, thick, bold and sassy. She knows what she do and she moves when she's. I know it's hard. money if you don't like me.
Now the thing you